Today we are going to talk about the TP4056 module. This module is used to charge 18650 batteries. There are two types of these modules. One module is with over discharge protection and one without over discharge protection. Both these circuits have overcharge protection. Today we are going to talk about the module with over discharge protection. Here I have completed the circuit. The positive and negative terminals of the batteries are connected to the B plus and B minus terminals of the TP4056 module. Instead of using the micro USB port, I have connected two banana plugs so I can easily connect the module to my lab bench power supply. The red LED indicates that the battery is charging. When it's completed, the blue LED will light up. Initially, the battery is being charged with 1 amp.